Hi, this is Justin Badger with Access Property Management Group in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And today I want to share with you a little bit about investing in real estate in the smaller markets such as Grand Rapids, otherwise known as the tertiary markets. So they're not the big markets that the big guys are going, the big investment funds. These are smaller markets that people are familiar with, that there's a lot of opportunity a lot of times. And right now is a great time. So one of the things that you should be aware of is current trends. And right now what we're seeing out there and what I'm seeing out there is that we've had a lot of volatility. We've had a lot of people lose their homes. We've had a lot of foreclosures, REO, short sales. A lot of that's gone on, and it still continues to go on for a little bit. But there's been a big change in the direction of real estate. We're starting to see a lot of price increases across the board. So take note. It's hard to predict the absolute bottom, but there are some changes. Could it go back the other way? Sure could. But right now you can buy properties below the replacement cost. So look into the numbers. They make a lot of sense right now in a lot of deals. The third part of it is the long-term predictions. I kind of have this analogy of the Great Depression era. My parents were affected by their parents who went through the Great Depression era. So I just have to wonder about the next 20 years of how many people are going to be influenced by what just happened, by seeing their parents, their family, their friends losing their home, watching a car officer take the contents of their home out and put it on the lawn. It's a traumatic event. So I really am bullish on renting. I think that as demographics continue to increase, populations increase, I think what we're going to see is a strong notion to rent instead of being a homeowner. A lot of people are really questioning the home ownership dream of the American dream. So I'm bullish again, long-term on renting. I think it makes a lot of sense right now. One of my favorite parts of real estate investing is leverage. So let's just say you had $20,000 to invest. Let's say you put it in the stock market and you made an incredible return of 10% on that $20,000. Well, the 10% return on that $20,000 would be $2,000. Great, not bad. 10% is a great return. Well, if you had $20,000, the bank would probably loan you about 80% loan to value on a home. So 80%, that would basically buy you a $100,000 home. So taking that same 10% return, if you earn a 10%, you're not earning it just on the $20,000. You're actually earning that 10% on the $100,000 valuation, the value of that home, okay? So that would be $10,000. Well, you initially started with $20,000 and you returned $10,000 into your pocket. The bank doesn't get that money, you get it. So that, at that point, goes from a 10% return to a 50% cash-on-cash return. Great numbers, makes a lot of sense. And that's why you're seeing a lot of people, a lot of investors buying properties right now. The last extra icing on top of the cake is the tax benefits. There's a lot of tax benefits from expenses and depreciation, and also the amortization of loans and paying down the debt. So real estate is a very attractive opportunity. I would strongly encourage you to look into it and to learn. And most importantly is the learning part. Continue to learn and educate yourself, and it'll help you to make better investing decisions. This is Justin Badger with Access Property Management.